हेलो दोस्त, नमस्कार। मैं मिथिलेश चौधरी, ओनर ऑफ संध्या एंटरप्राइजेज ग्रुप ऑफ संध्या फ्लेक्स रबर एंड PVC प्रोडक्ट. Now going for explain the rubber compounding, how to design rubber compounding and a rubber compounding recipe. Recipe is important for rubber compounding. All chemists and rubber technologists know the knowledge of rubber. Should we know the knowledge of the raw rubber? Should we know the knowledge of ingredient? So many ingredients added in the rubber and polymer depend on the mechanical and physical property. Mechanical and physical property means hardness, tensile, elongation, swelling behavior, water absorption, aging property, and depend of the application. There is so many types of the polymer like this natural rubber. Natural rubber means RMA4, RMA5, ISNR. NBR rubber is so many grade. Nitrile butadiene rubber, EPDM rubber is so many grade, so many hardness. Silicone rubber is also 30 to 70 hardness available in the India, and SBR rubber also is so many grade, molding grade, extruding grade, and Hypler rubber and Hypler rubber. And so many ingredients like this antioxidant, anti-degradant, and antioxidant. Processing dry bonding chemical, and processing oil, glowing agent, and white filler and white reinforcement, black reinforcement. Accelerator agent, curative agent, and safeguard chemicals. So today explain how to masticate and how to design the recipe of the as per mechanical properties. Suppose you go through any polymer, so first you add the polymer 100 pHr. Then add 1 pHr is a accelerator agent like this stearic acid, and we'll take 5 pHr, 4 to 5 pHr is a accelerator chemical like this zinc oxide, like this magnesium oxide, like this sulfur, depend on the polymer. Then add the antioxidant 1 to 2 pHr like this TDQ, JDC, 4020, TDQ, TQ, and so many antioxidants. Then add the processing oil like this. Processing oil means like this 710 oil, DOP oil, DBP oil, 5 pHr to 25 pHr, depend on the filler and reinforcement. Then next step will come white filler and black filler, white reinforcement and black reinforcement like this silica PPT, silica powder, calcium carbonate, China clay, that is a white reinforcement, white filler, and the carbon black is a black reinforcement. Then add the finally curative chemical and dry bonding chemical for better bonding addition purpose, metal to rubber and reinforcement to rubber, fabric to rubber. This dry bonding, this like this wood rosin, 1845, 1820, 1870, like this. So many types of the dry bonding chemicals. Then added finally curative and accelerator chemical like this MBT, MBTS, MOR, CBS, TMT, JDC, JDBC. The depend of the polymer where they use so this chemical, so much, so chemical. The depend of the polymer. So how to take PHR? PHR is important for the compounding. Suppose you take 100 PHR, you accelerator agent like this sustained, you take 1.5 PHR. MgO and zinc oxide you take 4 to 5 PHR. And the carbon, black reinforcement and white reinforcement 25 PHR to 50 PHR for better property. Suppose you want the commercial compound, go to 100 to 150 PHR. White reinforcement. And processing it also like this glowing agent also and flowing agent also like this paraffinic wax. We add 0.5 to 0.6 PHR maximum, not more. And antioxidant and anti-degradant and anti-ozonate will add the 1 to maximum 2 PHR, not more. Then add processing iron like this 5 PHR to maximum 25 PHR depend of the white filler and black filler. Then finally we'll come for curic chemical and curative chemical like this MBTS, MOR, MBT. You take 1 PHR, not more. Sulfur you also take 1 to 1.5 to 2 PHR maximum. Suppose you want to ebonite rubber, that is used at 5 PHR to maximum 10 PHR is a sulfur is ebonite for ebonite rubber. You want the 80 hardness, 90 hardness above is called ebonite rubber. There is added 10 PHR sulfur. Remaining, suppose you want the 40 hardness, 50 hardness, 60 hardness, 70 hardness, there is use only the 1.5 to 2 PHR is a sulfur. Remaining TMT is a fast curative chemical, that is a very dangerous for compounding. There is used only 0.2, 0.1 PHR, not more. Maximum 0.3 PHR is enough for any compound. Then use the safeguard, PVI guard, that is save the scorch and increase the scorch time. Safeguard PVI guard is a increase the scorch time. Save the compound for 24 hours, 48 hours, 36 hours. Thanks for watching. Suppose you want any knowledge, any requirement, please write the my comment box and send me. Will come with next video with your comment. Thanks for watching.